Kling 3.0 is changing the way we work around the videos and you're going to love it. Yes, most people will not even use it to the best of its ability, but guess what? Stay till the end and you will get a good hang of Kling to generate some amazing videos like these. AI videos have just taken a massive leap. I'm going to show you how to generate cinematic scenes from just one image, how to nail character consistency in the complete ad or clip, and the exact workflow beginners should follow. And at the end, I'll show you a simple 5-step structure that makes your videos look 10x more professional. Let's start with something crazy. This entire sequence was generated from a single image. No manual editing, no external lip sync, no third-party animation tools. This is Kling 3.0. Now let me explain why this is such a big deal. Before Kling 3.0, AI video had 3 big problems. Faces would morph, motion looked unnatural, multi-shot storytelling was messy. Now, you get 15-second coherent sequences, native audio, shot control, character consistency. But here's a real shift. Kling is no longer just a video generator. It's become a direction engine, but only if you know how to prompt it. And that changes how beginners should approach it. Let me ask you something. If I gave you one cinematic image, could you turn it into 3-shot scene? Most beginners would just type, "make him talk." That's why the results look average. Here is how I did it. Step 1. I basically said it's the same guy in the same podcast studio. Don't change anything about him or the setup. Keep lighting warm and cinematic, eye contact locked to each camera in every shot, and no outfit or studio changes at all. Then step 2. Then I broke it into 3 shots with hard cuts between them. First shot, front camera, slow push-in. He says the first time. Second shot, hard cut to left 45 degree, slight orbit movement, second line. Third shot, hard cut to right 45 degree, static frame, final line. And step 3. Keep lighting warm and cinematic, eye contact locked to each camera in every shot, and no outfit or studio changes at all. That simple structure alone makes your output feel intentional. And here is something most people don't know. Kling times dialogue automatically based on speech length. But if you really want control, say the line out loud, time it, then match your duration. That's how you move from random generation to direction. Now we need to talk about the feature that fixes 80% of beginner mistakes, elements. If you've ever seen AI characters subtly changes faces between frames, that's because you're relying on one reference image. Elements lets you upload close-up, full body, side profile, and assign a name. Now instead of hoping Kling remembers, you anchor the character, and here is where it gets interesting. You can do this for multiple characters, which means you can create conversations without face morphing. This is where Kling stops feeling like a toy and starts feeling like production software. So video prompt number 1. Go to Xbuild AI, click on video, Kling 3.0, enable elements, create your custom element, give 1 to 3 different angles of the same subject to create an element for that subject, give it a title and description for your reference. And now every time you want to use that particular element, use add and choose your element. This would ensure your character is consistent. Let me show you something simple. Type man says. This changes everything. That's it. No extra lip sync tool, no exporting audio, no timing headaches. For beginners, this removes 3 to 4 steps from your workflow. Less friction is equal to more creation, and that's powerful. Earlier I said I would give you the 5-step structure. Here it is. Number 1, generate strong image first. Number 2, create multiple angles. Number 3, build elements. Number 4, animate with multiple shots. And number 5, refine using Omni. Most beginners skip step number 2 and 3. That's why the results feel random. Think like a director, not a prompt gambler. That mindset alone changes everything. Here's the reality. AI video is evolving every few months. What works today will feel outdated fast. If you want to stay ahead, if you want to understand tools instead of just clicking buttons, if you want to break down like this without the fluff, subscribe to this channel. We are going to keep testing, breaking down, and simplifying the newest AI tools so you can focus on creating.